Welcome to What's New in Burbank.
Caltrans continues to make progress on the I-5 Empire project. David Kriske has the full update.
Caltrans crews are currently working on the northbound travel lanes to widen and improve the freeway, and will then switch traffic over to the new lanes to begin working on the middle portion of the freeway as they complete the Empire Interchange overpass. Caltrans expects to open the Empire Interchange in July of 2019. At that time, the Burbank Boulevard Bridge will then close for reconstruction. That part of the project will be completed in December of 2020, and the entire project will also be completed at the end of 2020, at which point Burbank residents will be able to enjoy new carpool lanes in both directions, a new interchange at Empire Avenue, and a reconstructed interchange at Burbank Boulevard.
For an updated schedule and more information about the Caltrans project, please visit www.my5la.com.
Thanks, everybody. Thank you.
This December 14th ribbon cutting marked the opening of what may be the coolest place in Burbank this holiday season. The Rink in downtown Burbank is now officially open for business in the parking lot behind City Hall for outdoor holiday ice skating. The rink will remain open every day through January 6, 2019, allowing you to skate under the sun or stars. The hours are 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily, extended to 11 p.m. on Friday and Saturday. General admission for unlimited skating with no re-entry is $12. It's $5 to rent skates, and for an additional $8 you can rent a Bobby the Seal or Tommy the Reindeer skating aid. Before or after your skating session, skaters are encouraged to explore downtown Burbank, where hundreds of shops and eateries are decked out for the season. For more information about the rink, go to dtnbur.com.
On Tuesday, December 4th, the city held its annual open house at City Hall. Guests met their local police officers and firefighters, as well as representatives from city departments. Residents enjoyed chatting with council members, toured the council chambers, and learned more about the history of City Hall. The highlight of the night was getting a picture on the mayor's chair.
Recently, Our Burbank held a special Stargazing Party at Robert Gross Park in cooperation with the Burbank Sidewalk Astronomers, providing residents with an opportunity to not only see celestial objects with their own eyes, but to make some with their own hands as well. Volunteers guided children in making their very own comet cores with ice and minerals in a hands-on science demonstration, while sidewalk astronomer extraordinaire Bob Alborzian set up his homemade telescopes and gave everyone a chance to see the universe up close and personal.
You don't even need a spotting scope. From this corner or this corner, you go point that corner to your object. You go to your eyepiece with a little wiggle, it should be there. There you go. It's right on the moon.
But don't worry if you miss this event, because the sidewalk astronomers take their telescopes out to the Chandler Bike Path for public demonstrations on a monthly basis. Just check them out on Facebook to find out all the good science stuff they're serving. And to learn how you can get more involved with future community pride building events, visit the Our Burbank page on the city's website, burbankca.gov/residents/Our-Burbank. Did you know you can grow beautiful roses like these, save money, and help to preserve nature? For nearly 30 years, the City of Burbank has provided residents with free composting instructions.
We really want to encourage residents to be empowered to create their own black gold within their own yards. And so it's a really important program to be able to take what you generate and actually create healthier soil without having to go and buy it. It makes no sense, right? You've got everything you need right there.
If you are interested in backyard composting, check out the Burbank Recycle Center events page to learn about upcoming workshops.
We host these workshops March through November, and we do them on the last Wednesday of the month. And we do these here at the Burbank Recycle Center from 6 o'clock till 8 o'clock.
Registration is required. To reserve your space and receive a free composter, go to burbankrecycle.org.
Hi, Burbank. I'm Mayor Emily Gabel-Luddy. And
Burbank Mayor Emily Gabel-Luddy visited Burbank's George Izay Park to film the newest episode of The Mayor's Show, learning all about the city's Dig Burbank program to help keep the city parks free of both weeds and harmful pesticides. The mayor spoke with the city's resident landscape expert, Michael Del Campo, as well as Beth McQuitty, Dig Day's chief coordinator from the city's Parks and Recreation Department.
So we have a Dig Day every single Saturday. But if you want to ask questions or you want more information about tools or even more information on how to dig, you can just go to our website, www.burbankca.gov/digburbank.
Dig Burbank is a program run by the Parks and Recreation Department organizing community volunteers to remove weeds from local parks instead of using potentially harmful chemical-based weed killers. Keep an eye out for the new Mayor's Show to learn more about Dig Burbank and how you can get involved.
We dig Burbank!
The Home Improvement Program is BWP's free weatherization program for customers offering weatherization home upgrades, saving them up to an estimated $4,000 in retrofits. All Burbank residents may participate, but single-family homes must have a central AC system in order to qualify for the home upgrades. Free services include attic insulation, air sealing, a blower door, and a combustion safety test. Central AC tune-ups and duct sealing and testing services are also provided. This program is very popular and scheduling appointments will depend on availability, so call today. 1-866-365-7358. Thanks for watching What's New in Burbank.